push on the grounding screw on the back, it's making contact with the ground and it's operating properly. As soon as I take my finger off the back, it won't work anymore. Push the grounding screw, that's contacting. So we've got a loose connection in the back there somewhere in the circuit board. Let's pull it apart and have a look and see what we can find. Right, so I pulled it off, had a good look. I couldn't really see any dry solder joints, but I soldered them anyway, especially around the back of the IC chip, and all the contacts around the grounding screw, and now it seems to be fine. Whenever I pump the gas, the needle's moving up and down, and when I push on the grounding screw, it doesn't lose its connection at all like it was before, so I'm pretty sure it's fixed. And time will tell. Hopefully, fingers crossed anyway.